We're here. Check this place out. Isn't that freaking crazy? Right there, big old silo. But we're here. It's finally the day. I can't wait. Let's get straight to it. The car scene in Houston is massive. And to do photo and video, it's hard to stand out. But there's one group that stands above the rest, and that's KRANE Designs. Been working on cars and stuff, like actually shooting, because I know you always work like super late hours, huh?
For this session, yours probably 10 hours on one picture. Like realistically, 10 hours for maybe 3 pictures. What I'll do is I'll do the whole session, edit probably 20 pictures, go over again with my girl, and she'll choose the top 5. Then we redo everything and
really
detail.
It's crazy. That's a lot of detail. know, usually I just put the car in front of a pretty wall and just take a picture. But this dude, this dude is on another level.
They're not,
bro.
Have you seen ours?
Bro,
they're not good.
bro,
They could be better.
bro. I'll agree with you on that. Everything could be better, always. There's always room for improvement. However, you're killing it in Houston.
I don't want to blush in front of the camera.
That's it. The man nailed it. You're gonna find him at
KRANE Designs.
KRANE Designs on Facebook
And Instagram.
and Instagram.
And YouTube.
Here's this profile here. There's another one here. You can find it pretty much everywhere on this screen. Go follow him on Facebook. Go follow him on Instagram. The man is killing it in the scene in Houston with the car photos, car videos, everything. It's just check it out. You'll be sorry if you missed it. That's it. We're gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm gonna go home, kiss my wife because I haven't seen her in like 3 days, eat, and then we're gonna get ready for Tulsa, Oklahoma. Let's go. Got a couple things that we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna sneak in one event before Tulsa, and that's at Houston Raceway Park on the 8th. We're gonna be there. It's the Paul Walker Test and Tune and Show event, and we're gonna go show off the car a little bit and also do some test passes on higher boost to make sure that everything's functioning right before we go to Tulsa. So if you're watching this near Houston, come to the event, come check out the setup on the Bullet. We'll be right by Mexico Racing League. It'll be a lot of fun and a great test day. On the 16th, we're bringing Texas to Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we're gonna race in that streetcar takeover event they're having up there. So that's gonna be a lot of fun, and I can't wait. We're also bringing some friends with us, which you'll see later on. But that's it for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna get back to work. Yeah, if you haven't already, stop watching this video. Go hit the subscribe button in his YouTube. Go follow him on Instagram, Facebook, everything. Last thing, if you didn't catch it earlier in the video in the B-roll, we did do the new plate mod. Check it out. Pretty cool.